everyone! Online tests and also in mobile. How to do it? Don't get worried or don't get confused. You can attend your tests using your mobiles or your laptops. It is very easy to attend the tests in mobile. How to do it? Follow the steps. First, your teacher will send a link in your WhatsApp group like this. Click on the link. You will get two options, Chrome and browser. Select any one of the options. You will get a page showing like this. Click on the Start option and enter your details. Your name, your class and your section, and your phone number. Done. Next, you'll get a question paper. Read the question carefully and click the correct option. After first one, go to the second one. Attend all the 25 questions. You have 25 questions for 25 marks. Remember, you attend all the 25 questions by reading the questions carefully and selecting the answers. And then click on the Submit. Think twice before you submit your answer paper. You get your result by there itself after attending the test and clicking on the Submit option. You have done a good job. Yes, read well and try to get stars in your online test. Smile like a sun and shine like a moon. That's it. All the best. Attend your test carefully. Prepare well for your tests. Okay? Happy Dasara!